Okay. No say this journey na 17 naira. So how wahala? Oh, now where you go? Eh? What's in this? I never pay you. I don't pay you now. You was supposed to give 13 naira, but I look and say, make I just help your life. Make carry they go.
Hey! Hey, Imo Community. You don't pay me 13 naira. So if I allow you now, you go give me 100 naira. Waka come out.
How much I want to give you before?
How much you no go give me?
You carry cow. No. Your AC get
the day where they bury Mama Obi Kubana, the whole of that car where they carry come there that day, you fat, big, pass all of them. Yeah. Madam, come. I go just see it now. That program me and fish.
You want push me?
Why not go push you?
You want push me?
Why not go push you?
What's happen?
What happen? Not what. But I pay my money, John. I go carry plenty people come back. You come pay me money.
So what happen? You carry tipper?
Okay, imagine these people.
Jesus!
Look at these people. Baby. I carry people come back. You come they give me money for one person.
Baby. Baby, imagine. He carry me. He carry only me. The journey na 17 naira. Because okay, because say I get church man just even leave change for him. If follow me they talk.
He go leave grave for you this afternoon. If you not give me my money, I go leave grave for you this afternoon. What kind of sense with that one? For you to accept that. Come on, leave me alone.
Baby, fight him. Baby, beat him.
No. Look at this man, no. You don't know. You don't know.
No wahala. You want problem? No wahala.
You be mumu. How many times
I like problem. I take problem. Say you know go. You go break. I go shake up. No one.
Shake it.
Come down.
Shake it.
Yes.
Shake it.
You not fear.
Yes.
You not fear.
Shake it.
You curse my husband.
Shake it.
You curse my husband.
Madam, Oya, come down. I'm not going.
No.
Take your money.
Carry me go back. Carry me go back. Carry me go back.
Yes.
Yes.
My baby.
Yes.
You go break my teeth.
Yes.
Your seat waiting.
Oh, yeah, madam, no vex. Come down. No vex. I don't want the money to take.
Shake it.
Yes.
Shake it.
I wanna shake you like that. Go back. You don't fear. You don't ask my husband. What's he break your leg? You see first come outside with one leg. You don't fear me. You don't ask question. The first day of honeymoon day, na so it takes point. I just make a climb, na so it takes point. My size no fear you.
Wait, madam.
So this size no fear you.
No fear.
No wahala. Only me na we. Only me na we.
I don't
you fear us.
I don't fear you.
No
now.
wahala.
Even only you feel scatter Nigeria. If you come alanga abim, etikwe card.
You don't ask question.
You go break this cake and higher purchase.
You go pay for damage.
Damage.
Yes. You know what you say? I chop to tell you that I achieve this size.
No, you don't know why.
You don't know. No tape the video.
I told you.
Now land tape this for me. Land.
Yes.
And they finish it. All tell us they use calculator so my calculator.
Can you see that kind of thing from your mouth and tell somebody?
You see me, you no fear.
We know
they come down. You go pay for damages.
Damage. You have damaged a lot of things in my sexy babies.
Not me break your waist. Now how come damage? You not go near turn on the abaji.
You see the talk?
Only as abaji,
It can already baby. Take
You
action.
don't know.
Ma break
You
your
don't know
waist.
why.
I be waist.
Take action.
Jesus is Lord.
Ma break your waist.
Baby, you see the ass? Take action. I know what you can do. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the wife.
Catch her.
Then Tiaga,
No, back this cake inside
this was a cup of tea. Pass out.
Enter.
And then come on, baby, take action.